In the news, we're constantly hearing about how artificial intelligence, AI, is going to self-evolve and take over the world. Personally, I can't wait for a robot to come around my house, take over the washing, the cleaning, the ironing, do the shopping, and answer all those emails. I've worked in the field of AI since 1993, and sadly, although there has been some great advances in AI just lately, basically because we have very fast machines, we have a lot of data on the internet, AI is not at that state and won't be coming around anytime soon. But I believe that we believe these stories. There are two types of information in the news and on social media and that get ratings. And that is fear and transformation, or that twist in the tail, the transcendence moment that lifts us out of ourselves. Which is why we believe that AI is going to take over the world. And at the same time, are constantly bombarded with terrible software systems that just do not work. So in this talk, I'd like to demystify AI and I will take you through the stories from ancient Greece of the first robot right up to present day when we talk about ChatGPT, the most famous of large language models that is used for generative AI. I will tell you how these things work. And in this way together, we will look at how and why artificial intelligence was created and exactly what it can and cannot do.